Hey everyone, we're going to make these monster lanterns for Halloween. So we are going to cover this plastic bottle, make multiple cut on this orange strip of paper and paste it around like we're doing here using hot glue gun. We're also going to decorate it from the top and bottom. We are pasting these strips, paste eyes and smiley face, put a handle and lamp inside, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this very scary and cute Halloween craft. So we are going to fold this black craft paper, fold a strip like this and paste it like we are doing here. Now we are making the face, paste googly eyes, pointy teeth and paste a bow as well, and look, your bat is ready. Look at this Halloween craft. Let's make it. First we are going to cut a house on this black craft paper. Now we are going to cut different things, like we are cutting this witch, ghost and paste all of them on this yellow circle. After this we are also adding more details, like we are pasting this ring on the top of it. Add more ornaments like this star and these balloons. Paste wings as well, and we are also decorating it by putting a hanging and fairy light inside it, and switch on the light and look, your hanging is ready. We're going to make these cute rocking witches. So first we're going to cut these hat and draw the face of the witch, and we are going to paste all of them on this yellow semicircle. We are also making a broom for the witch, so make multiple cut on the craft paper and paste all of them together. We're also drawing stars for more decoration, and look, your rocking witch is ready. We're going to make this beautiful lamp, so let's get started. First take this empty bottle and cut the shape of the monster face like circle and creepy smile. Now we are going to cut this black circle and make a cone like this. Make multiple cut on it and open the lid of the bottle and paste all of them, and look, it's ready. Let's make these ghosts using craft paper. We are going to fold this red craft paper, make multiple fold and make a diamond shape. Now flip it and again fold it from its side. Now we are going to fold it again from its corners and its bottom side as well. Here we are going to make the hands of the ghost, and look, it's ready. After this we are going to draw the face of the ghost using a black marker, and it's ready. We are going to make this scary monster pumpkin for Halloween. So we are going to fold this orange craft paper, fold it from its side and paste it as well. Now tuck the paper inside, paste eyes and creepy smile of the monster. Now make a handle and put it inside the pumpkin, and look, it's ready. Let's make these pumpkins using craft paper. So we are going to take this 15 cm orange craft paper, start folding it. Now we are going to make 4 such shapes. After this, take this green craft paper, fold it again like we are doing here. Now we are going to paste all of them together like the orange and the green one, and look, your pumpkin is ready. We're going to decorate these oranges, so let's get started. First take an orange. Now draw different faces on the top of it like we are doing here. You can decorate these and eat it later as well. It is a very innovative idea for Halloween decorations. Look how we are drawing these different creepy smiles and face, and look, it's ready. Let's make this monster hanging light. So we are going to peel out the orange and draw the face of the monster, hang it, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.